Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IS. This is DTRS session, Daily Tucker Rapid Series session. So daily we are discussing 10 quality MCQs based on the current affairs of the day, and today's lead topic is PM Vidya Lakshmi scheme. It was in news recently. Cabinet has approved this particular scheme, especially providing the scholarship to needy students who are let's say focusing on their higher education. ठीक है, तो उससे रिलेटेड ये स्कीम है. फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू विल डिस्कस ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्कीम, और अलग जो 9 टॉपिक्स हम डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स हमारे एग्जाम के लिए रिलेवेंट है उसके ऊपर 9 एमसीक्यूज भी डिस्कस करेंगे. बट बिफोर दैट डेली वी आर ऑल्सो डिस्कसिंग वन कोटेशन. नाउ टुडेज कोट इज रिलेटेड टू मैनेजमेंट एंड लीडरशिप. So Peter Drucker, very famous we can say thinker, those having public administration, वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं. मैनेजमेंट इज़ डूइंग थिंग्स राइट, leadership is doing the right things. So let's understand, because such kind of let's say topics can be asked even in essay or in ethics paper, or you can yourself use this whenever the question is based on the leadership topic. Okay, so management is doing things right. So generally when we talk about management, here we are talking about let's say doing things right. It focuses on outcome, output, or we can say that it is focusing on implementation. Implementation of what? The decisions, policy decisions, or whatever the decisions that even the company takes, a board of director takes. ठीक है, तो ये implementation का काम होता है. ठीक है, management का. Leadership is doing the right things. So that means leadership is basically showing the vision, showing the direction, or we can say that taking the decisions, and management implements those decisions. So when we talk about the leadership, it is basically related to why and we can say that what question. And when we talk about management, how it will be implemented, how it can be efficiently implemented, effectively implemented. So this question can be asked. So in this manner we should understand leadership is doing the right things. So when we talk about doing right and wrong things, the leadership, the right kind of leadership, effective leadership is related to doing the right things, and the effective management, efficient management is basically doing the things right here. So that can be related to outcome, efficient outcome we can say, or output related to implementation of decisions. ठीक है, तो you can link that to corporate sector, you can link that to even your government sector. ठीक है, तो most of the let's say lower level bureaucracy, they are the implementing agencies, they are part of management. So public management or public administration is a part of management, while leadership, the political leadership gives the vision, the ministers or council of ministers headed by PM. So in India or in let's say country like India, तो यहाँ पे जो है doing the right things, so policy decisions, इस तरीके से हमें इसको डिस्कस करना है. Now let's talk about the 10 topics of the day. These are the 10 topics. Let's solve them one by one, these MCQs. पहला MCQ देखिए. So every year UPSC asks minimum 2 questions in prelims based on the prominent government schemes and programs. So PM Vidya Lakshmi scheme, it is related to providing scholarship to students pursuing higher education. ठीक है, तो इट इज़ यस सेंट्रल सेक्टर स्कीम. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स में थिंक दैट एजुकेशन जो है कंकरेंट लिस्ट में है तो सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड होगा, बट दैट इज इनकरेक्ट. रादर इट इज सेंट्रल सेक्टर स्कीम एंड इज गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस टू मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स फॉर हायर स्टडीज. बोथ स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट हियर. स्पेशली दोज लेट्स से इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैविंग NIRF रैंकिंग, टॉप 860 इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन, क्वालिटी हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस जिसको हम बोलते हैं, उनमें जो एजुकेशन लेना चाहते हैं नीडी स्टूडेंट्स, उनका फैमिली इनकम जो होगा 8 लाख अप टू 8 लाख एनुअल इनकम होगा, उनको ये प्रोवाइड किया. इसके साथ साथ में उनको इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन लेट्स से इज ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड ऑन लोन. ठीक है, तो बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोविजंस दिए हुए हैं. इट इज एप्लीकेड ओनली टू पब्लिक हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन. नाउ दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. ऑल्सो सम ऑफ द प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैविंग गुड NRIF रैंकिंग जो है. ठीक है, NRIF रैंक जो रैंकिंग होता है, तो बेसिकली इट रैंक्स द हायर एजुकेशंस, यूनिवर्सिटीज, कॉलेजेस, and it provides let's say overall framework, especially kind of let's say competitive framework for all the institutions to do better, especially in terms of quality. So only first and second statement are correct. तो क्या होगा आंसर इसका? B is the correct answer. Now second question देखते हैं. Lignosat. Okay. The Latin term ligno, it is related to we can say wood. It means wood. ठीक है, those having biology आपने पढ़ा होगा, lignin और it is related to, we can say that plants, or we can say wood. It is a satellite project that aims to study the behavior of wood based material in space. Yes, the satellite made up of wood, or we can say that wooden material, is being sent by the Japanese scientist. So it is not let's say collaboration of NASA, let's say it is basically Japanese mission. So this is incorrect, first one is correct. तो आंसर क्या होना चाहिए, वन ओनली, ठीक है, वन ओनली इज द करेक्ट आंसर, ठीक है। यहाँ पे देखिए वुडन सैटेलाइट, वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट वुडन सैटेलाइट, सो समथिंग विच इज़ यूनिक इनोवेटिव, तो वो आपको प्रीलिम्स के लिए तैयार करना है। सेंट्रल वाटर कमीशन, सो इंस्टीट्यूशंस, स्टैट्यूटरी, नॉन स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडीज, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज, उससे रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आता है। Central Water Commission is important apex technical organization in India under Ministry of Jal Shakti. Yes, it works as an attached office to this particular ministry, and yes, it is responsible for advising state governments on control, conservation, utilization of water resources. Also, we can say that quality aspect, quality, water quality aspect. So largely it is the technical body, we can say that, ठीक है, apex technical organization. Both statements are correct here. तो आंसर क्या होना चाहिए इसका, C is the correct answer, right. Now, Tumaini festival, this was in news in the Hindu newspaper. There was a photograph talking about, let's say, how this festival is there. Tumaini festival is celebrated by the indigenous people in Malawi country of Africa. So A is the correct answer, ठीक है। So although many students may have missed this, but UPC is asking random question. You can see that how Malawi festival unites refugees and locals. So this is good thing, right? Now, yes, the volcano is the part of twin volcano system in Indonesia that the local resident perceive as the male and female mountains. The two mountains are classified as stratovolcanoes, which are formed by the layers of lava that repeatedly oozes out of the crater. Which of the following volcanoes is being mentioned in the above paragraph? Recently, one of the volcano in Indonesia erupted. Few days back we discussed this topic also, question also, Indonesia. It is Mount Lewotobi Laki-Laki. Okay, Mount Lewotobi Laki-Laki. So B is the correct answer. यहाँ पे देखिए Lewotobi Laki-Laki. Now, WinBACS, joint military exercise. You can see UPC is asking such kind of, let's say, topics in 2023 prelims also. They asked one exercise between India and Sri Lanka. So exercise WinBACS, joint military training, is being held officers of Indian Army and officers of which of the following country? So it is Vietnam, ठीक है, WinBACS, it is Vietnam, India Vietnam joint military exercise. Okay, Namo Drone Didi scheme. So it is prominent scheme and UPSC can ask such kind of questions. Central sector scheme, this is correct, we can say. Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Now you may think that it is related to spraying of fertilizers or let's say pesticides on the crops, and the, let's say, women self-help groups is going to aid in that, let's say, for that purpose, but it is incorrect. Rather it is under Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Rural Development, ठीक है, तो ये incorrect है. The scheme aims to provide drones to 15,000 selected women self-help groups for providing rental services to farmers for agriculture purpose. Now this one is correct. 1 and 3 only is the correct answer. तो आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? C is the correct answer. All right. Next, yes, recently on the election day in US, presidential election day in US, the US was going to launch this or test fire this Minuteman 3 missile. So it is going to be a ICBM, intercontinental ballistic missile, which is, we can say, nuclear head, let's say it can carry the nuclear head, ठीक है। तो ये किसका है? USA का है, एंड जिस दिन इलेक्शन हुआ है प्रेसिडेंट का, उसी दिन ये एक्चुअली लॉन्च किया गया, टेस्ट फायर किया गया है, ठीक है। सो B is the correct answer. Now, IL-35 protein. What is this protein and why it was in news? Yes, it is the pro-inflammatory cytokinin that promotes immune cell activation and inflammation. Now, ठीक है, तो ये promote नहीं करता है, ठीक है, inflammation. This is incorrect. Rather, it is anti-inflammatory cytokinin. Inflammation is problematic, no, negative something happening in our body. So anti-inflammatory cytokinin that is involved in immune regulation and suppression of inflammatory responses. Now C is the correct answer. Term based questions, general science or health related, we can say that, biotechnology related developments. So that will be, let's say, research will be helpful in treating diabetes. Now livestock census, ठीक है, तो yes, first livestock census in India was conducted in 1919-20 during British time itself. This is correct, and it is held every 5 year in India, ठीक है, livestock census. Now for the first time this year the pastoral livestock and pastoral communities are going to be counted. तो यहाँ पर देखिए ये counted as a part of livestock census, तो routinely नहीं count किया जा रहा है, rather it is for the first time this year it will be counted. So United Nations has declared year 2024 as International Year of Rangeland and Pastoralist. Now this is factually incorrect. 2026 is declared as this International Year of Rangelands and Pastoralists by UN. So this one is incorrect, this one is incorrect. Only first statement, that is only one, is the correct answer here. Okay, so these are the 10 MCQs. Keep following these sessions. The detailed explanation of these 10 MCQs is attached as a PDF in the description of this video. All right, let us stop. Thank you.